Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have returned from my Europe trip. It was absolutely amazing. I was gone for 5 weeks. That's why I haven't uploaded in such a long time. So I do apologize, but I'm trying to get back into it. It took me literally a week to recover from the jet lag. It's never taken me that long before. I think it's because I'm getting older now. Things are starting to take a little bit longer. But anyway, I am back. So in today's video, I've got some exciting things to share with you all. Now, I'm sure you would have already noticed from the title and the thumbnail of this video, but in this video, I'm going to be taking you through my 2 newest yarn collections, which are the Unreal Chenille and the Corduroy. I'm going to take you through all the colors, the names, the specs, everything you need to know about these yarns. So if that is something you are interested in, just keep on watching. All right, if you are still here, thanks for sticking around. I'm going to start off with the Corduroy. Now, this is a velvet yarn. It has a beautiful velvety finish. It is made from 100% polyester. It comes in 100 gram skeins and you get 80 meters per skein. It is beautifully soft. I can't even describe to you how soft this is. Like, it is beautiful. And one thing I also want to add about this yarn, which I know is not common amongst velvet yarns, is that it is super strong. Now for the colors. This color, and I'm going to try and remember all these off the top of my head, but I've got quite a bit of yarn out now, so I've got a lot of colors stored up there, so we'll see how we go. Anyway, this color is a beautiful mustard color and it is called Queen. One of my favorites, of course. Next up, we have a beautiful, like, midnight blue. I wouldn't say it's a navy blue, but I also wouldn't say it's a royal blue. It's quite literally like a midnight blue. I don't know how else to describe it. And this one is called... Damn, I'm not off to a good start. I've gone blank. I'm gonna have to look it up. So this one is Lennon, and it's a beautiful midnight blue. Okay, next up we have a beautiful classic black, and this one is called Sabbath. Next is a stunning lilac color. I am absolutely obsessed with lilac at the moment, so you know I had to get a lilac color, and this one is called Diana. Next up, we have a stunning light gray, and this one is called Tina. Next up, we have a light browny tan color. It's like a golden brown, I suppose, and this one is called Beach Boy. Sticking with the brown theme, we've got another brown, but this one is dark, so it's like a warm dark brown, and this one is called Fleetwood. Next up, we have another grey. This time it is a darker grey, more close to a charcoal, I suppose, and this one is called Stone. Next up, we have a classic white. Not much else I can say about it. This one is called Olivia. Then we have a beautiful deep red. I don't know if I would call it a burgundy, but it's definitely not a bright red. It's a beautiful deep red, and this one is called Bowie. Next up, another one of my favorites. This skein is a little bit of a mess because I've already been playing with it and I've made something out of it. This is a beautiful bright orange color, and this one is called Dolly. I love this color. I think this is probably my favorite, if not my second favorite of this collection. Then last but definitely not least, another one of my favorites. Like, honestly, they're all my favorites. But anyway, this is a beautiful, almost like an olive green, like a dark olive green color. And this one is called Presley. And that wraps up all the corduroy colors. So there are 12 corduroy colors in total, and they are all now available on the website. So if you are interested, please feel free to go check them out. I will, of course, leave all the links in the description down below. All right, so moving along, we are now going to go through the Unreal Chenille line. Now this is obviously a chenille yarn. It has a beautiful soft finish, but unlike the corduroy, this has more of a matte finish rather than that velvety finish. So this one is also made from 100% polyester. It also comes in 100-gram skeins. It is a little bit chunkier than the corduroy, so you get 68 meters per skein, and the recommended hook size for this one is 9 millimeters. Okay, so that is the Unreal Chenille. I'm going to take you through the colors, of course. First up, this beautiful baby pastel pink color. This one is called Strawberry. Then, you know, I had to do another lilac because, like I said, obsessed. This is the color Boysenberry, and it is a lilac color. Next up, we have a beautiful baby blue, so a stunning light blue color, and this one is called Bubblegum. Next, we have a classic black, not much else to say about it. This one is called Licorice. Then we have this beautiful pastel-y green color, mint green, and this one, of course, is called Mint. Very original, I know. Next, we have a beautiful baby yellow, pastel yellow, I should say. And it's called Banana. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. Next, we have another classic. This is just a cream color, and this one is called Macadamia. Next up, we have a beautiful neutral color. I know you guys love a neutral. So this is just like a light tan brown color, and this one is called Caramel because that's what it is. It's like a caramelly light tan brown color. Next up, we have two grays. So these are two different grays, and I just wanted to show you them side by side because on the website in the photos, they do look very similar, and that's because they are very similar, but one is lighter than the other. So there is a darker one and a lighter one. So I just wanted to do a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see exactly what the difference is. So first up, we have this lighter gray color, and this one is called Sesame. And then we have the darker gray, which is called Scoop. Now they are very, very similar. Not gonna lie, when I first ordered them, I thought they would be a little bit more different. When I received them, I was like, are they the same color? But no, they're not. They are very, very slightly different. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys a side by side just so you can see. So you've got Scoop, the darker one, and Sesame, the lighter one. This is what they look like side by side. So very similar, but they are actually different. So if you are ordering both these colors and you get them and you pull them out and you're like, they're the same color. They're not. They are very similar, but they are different as well. So hopefully that's showing up okay for you guys on camera. And that wraps up the Unreal Chenille. So there's a total of 10 colors in the Unreal Chenille. Once again, available now on the website. So go and check them out. Let me know your feedback. Let me know what you're making with them, of course. And that goes for all of my yarns. If you guys are making things, please don't forget to tag me because I absolutely love seeing your posts on Instagram and TikTok and social media in general. So please don't forget to tag me in all your makes. I will also be filming some tutorials for these yarns going forward. So please let me know what you would like to see. I know the chenille yarns are very popular at the moment for amigurumi. I am not an amigurumi designer, I will admit, but I would probably give it a go for you guys if you wanted me to. So let me know what kinds of tutorials you guys would like to see using both the Unreal Chenille and the corduroy. Anyway guys, that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, come join the Talk Yarny to Me Facebook group. I love seeing you guys there. It's such a beautiful community. Everyone in there is so supportive. It's just a great place to hang out online. So come and join. The link's in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so you will be notified of all my future videos. But until next time, stay safe, be kind, and I will see you in my next video. Also, thank you so much for 60,000 subscribers. Oh my God, I forgot to mention that. Bye.